But I was just playing. Why don't you take a video of it? Zoom in, Lonnie. I mean, zoom in.
Well, we gotta keep this one forever.
No. We eventually gotta let it go soon.
No,
Whose
we
worm is
just
this,
got
Makai?
Ours. We own it.
We literally found it on this side. So we wanted to adopt.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
So we adopted this worm,
So cute.
and it's disgusting.
It looks cute but disgusting. But we want to keep it because we want to take care of nature.
And we want babies.
Yeah, y'all, look at the bell pepper.
It's so big.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, you want me to fill it up with more clean water?
Then we got another one.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to give it a little bath like this.
Another one right here.
Fill it up.
Got another one. And on this side,
I need a scoop. Okay,
Lonnie, pick up the leaf. Look at this leaf. The worm, I got the worm. Makai got the worm. Look in the leaf. Look.
Okay.
hold on, let the camera see it.
Fill it up.
Look, guys. Oops. Oh, it's gonna fall. I don't want it to fall, that's why. Look, guys.
They can't see it.
Oh, because the stick. Hold on. Can you take the stick? No. Take the stick. Lonnie! I didn't actually mean take the stick. What?
Oh my goodness.
Look! Oh, I was trying to escape. No, you can't escape.
Get
You
your
gotta
butt
stay
back
in your
in there.
little home.